There are so many options for appendix carry holsters these days. There's cheap ones that are really unsafe, there's big bulky ones that are hard to conceal, and there's whatever that is.
Good Lord.
In this video, I'm going to show you the best simple appendix carry holster that I carry every day, even if I'm wearing gym shorts or dress clothes. Let's do it. What is up, guys, and welcome back to Modern Protector, where we talk about the skills, the tools, and the mindset that you need to protect yourself and your family. So why is this the best appendix carry holster when there are so many other options out there? I'll tell you. And if you disagree and you've got another holster, then let me know in the comments down below. Everyone's entitled to their opinion, even if you're wrong. So this is the Intrepid holster from Eclipse Holsters, the sponsor of today's video, and I have carried this exact style holster for over a year and a half now. I was invited to tour the Eclipse holster factory last year, and I even made a couple of holsters myself, and it's a lot harder than you might think. Seeing the way these holsters are made really blew my mind. The first thing that makes this holster the best is the quality of the design itself. It's made out of rigid Kydex, but every edge is polished smooth so that there are no sharp edges at all. And it's not just a one size fits most holster. Not only is every holster molded to the exact shape of your gun, but before every holster is packaged, it's double checked with the real gun so that they can make final adjustments to get the retention just right. You can also adjust the retention yourself to get it exactly where you want it. The second thing that makes this holster the best is the customization. This is where it gets crazy. Most holsters come in black, army green, maybe a camo or carbon fiber here and there, but Eclipse Holsters does things a little differently. You can get this holster in a ton of different colors and patterns. I always want the ones that are as wacky and crazy patterned as possible. You can customize the print color, the color of your washers, and which holster clip you like the best. My favorite is definitely the monoblock because it's super thin and discreet and it'll clip on literally anything. And the clips are solid metal. The biggest reason that I think this holster is the best for appendix carry is its simplicity. It doesn't have a spare mag, it doesn't have big bulky clips, it just clips onto your belt and it conceals really well. If you're carrying a gun that you want to conceal, then it does that really well and keeps everything really minimal. And adding a holster wedge takes the comfort and concealment to a whole nother level. I think if you are carrying in the appendix position, you've got to have a holster wedge. So if you want a custom holster that's different than everyone else's, then check them out at eclipseholsters.com. And I want to hear from you. What is your everyday carry gun? Let me know in the comments down below. If you gained value from this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.